Good morning. Next, going to the topic applications, volume as triple integrals and solids of revolution problems based on volume. Find the volume of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square by triple integration. Given x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. X square equal to a square minus y square minus z square. X equal to plus or minus root of a square minus y square minus z square. The limit is x equal to 0 to root of a square minus x square into z square. Y equal to 0 to root of a square minus z square. Z limit is 0 to a. Therefore the limits. Substitute the limit values and we get the x, y, z limits. Volume of the sphere is 8 into volume of the first octant or first quadrant. 8 into triple integral over v dx dy dz. Substitute the limit x, y, z's limit. First of all, inner limit is dx, therefore integration dx is x. Substitute the limit 0 to root of a square minus y square minus z square. The root of a square minus z square as a constant. Next, dy is a integration. Therefore, the integration with respect to y. Therefore, a square and z square are constants. Y square is a variable. Therefore, a square minus, substitute the formula root of a square minus x square formula. Y into root of a square minus z square minus y square by 2 plus a square minus z square by 2 into sine inverse of y by root of a square minus z square. 0 to root of a square minus z square into dz. 8 into a square minus z square by 2 sine inverse. Substitute the limit root of a square minus z square and we get sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 value is pi by 2. 2 pi into a square minus z square into dz. 2 pi into integration with respect to z is a square into z minus z cube by 3, limit 0 to a. 2 pi into a cube minus a cube by 3 minus 0. 2 pi into 3a cube minus a cube by 3. 2a cube by 3. 4 pi a cube. Final answer is the x square, the sphere volume is 4 pi a cube by 3. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi a cube. Next problem is find the volume of the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. The solution is given x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. X square by a square equal to 1 minus y square by b square minus z square by c square. X square equal to a square into 1 minus y square by b square minus z square by c square. Therefore, x equal to plus or minus a into root of 1 minus y square by b square minus z square by c square. Take x equal to 0, then get the y limit plus or minus b into root of z square minus 1 minus z square by c square. Take x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, we get the z limit plus or minus c. The limits, therefore xy is x, y, z limits are there, already told. Next, volume. Volume equal to 8 into volume in the first quadrant. 8 into triple integral over r dx dy dz. First of all, integration with respect to x, substitute the x limit 0 to a into root of 1 minus y square by b square minus z square by c square. Next, lower limit is 0. Next, integration with respect to y, dy. Dy integration is y, substitute the limit. We get the root of a square minus x, substitute the root of a square minus x square formula. We get the answer is 4ab into 1 minus z square by c square, sine inverse 1 is pi by 2 into dz. Finally, 2 pi ab integral 0 to c 1 minus z square by c square into dz. Integration with respect to z, we get 2 pi ab into z minus z cube by 3 into c square, limit 0 to c. Substitute the limit. Finally, we get the answer is 4 by 3 pi ABC. Volume of the ellipsoid is 4 by 3 pi ABC. Thank you. Thank you for watching.